Hello and welcome to my channel. We got this 5-ton out, first time ever. Mike's got her finished up and looks pretty good. We got our first load on it here. Got her loaded pretty good, so we'll see if she dumps. Got a little bit of bile on her. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and give her a real test here, see what we got. Loaded her up good. Good and full this time. Big pile. Go ahead. She's laboring a little. This thing is going up though. Doing pretty good, actually. That's a lot of dirt. A little slow up and down on that electric, but no more PTO. Said he spread it a little bit there, but that's a lot of dirt for that little hoist. She does a good job. Doors just swinging open. Okay, another day riding with Mike Fodge here. Excuse me, MJ Customs. Riding in our 5-ton. We got the new dump box on it back there. A few years ago, Mike turned it up a little bit and they actually straight piped it now. So, you're gonna see it's a little louder now. That'll put a smile on your face no matter what. like I said, that's a job well done for the students. They did a great job putting this thing together, and now we can start to use it a little bit out here. I'm not going to exactly haul any rock with it or anything big, but tree debris and a little bit of gravel here and there should be good. All right, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and be safe.